Good morning students. Today we discuss about 12th accountancy morning video. So in this video we discuss about the second chapter, that is accounts of not for profit organization. In the previous class we discussed about the theory point of view, meaning, definition and important points, specimen of resident payment account and income and expenditure account, and also we discussed some example sums of resident payment account preparation and income and expenditure account. We discussed some example sums in the previous classes. So in this video we discuss about the comprehensive sum, that is combination of all the adjustments, and also the final account of not for profit organization. Final account means income and expenditure account and balance sheet of not for profit organization. So let us take one example sum, page number 61, example 17. From the following resident payment account of Friends Football Club for the year ending 31st March 2017, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2017 and the balance sheet as on the date. So in this example sum, they are asking to prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. They are given resident payment account and some adjustments. So in the resident payment account, in the debit side point of view, first they are given opening balance, cash in and bank balance, and subscription, legacies, collection for special dinner. So for preparation of income and expenditure account, from the receipt side point of view, you should take only the revenue receipts, don't take capital receipts. Subscription, collection for special dinner, these two items only the revenue receipts, and these two items will be taken to the income and expenditure account, income side, that is credit side. Subscription rupees 5,000, collection for special dinner 2,000. Only these two items should be taken to the credit side of income and expenditure account. Legacies is one of the capital item, it should be taken to the liability side of balance sheet. Opening balance should not be taken to the income and expenditure account. Suppose in this given sum, if there is no capital fund, means you should prepare opening balance sheet in order to find out capital fund. For that purpose, you can take opening balance of cash and bank. Next, payment side point of view, furniture is given 7,000. It is one of the capital item. It should be taken to the asset side of balance sheet. Sports material purchase, it is one of the revenue item, should be taken to the expenditure side of income and expenditure account, that is debit side. Special dinner expense, it is also a revenue item, it should be taken to expenditure side, that is debit side of income and expenditure account. Electricity charges is also one of the revenue item, should be taken to the expenditure side of income and expenditure account. Closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank, these two items will be taken to the balance sheet asset side. So from the payment side of point of view, only sports material purchase, special dinner expenses, electricity charges, only these three items are revenue item. It should be taken to the expenditure side of income and expenditure account, that is debit side. Then adjustment point of view, the first adjustment is the club had furniture rupees 12,000 1st April. It is one of the asset, take to the asset side of balance sheet. Subscription outstanding for the year 2016 to 17 rupees 600. It is outstanding subscription for the current year. It should be added to the subscription amount in the income side of income and expenditure account, that is credit side. And also the same subscription outstanding 600 should be taken to the balance sheet asset side. Stock of sports material per 31st March 17, that is closing stock of stationery sports material 100 rupees, and this closing stock of 100 rupees material will be less subtract from the subscription sports material purchased during the year in the expenditure side of income and expenditure account. And also this closing stock of rupees 100 should be taken to the asset side of balance sheet. Capital fund of 1st April 2016 is given 23,000. It is one of the capital fund. It should be taken to the balance sheet liability side. So in this example sum, capital fund is given, so no need to prepare opening balance sheet. If there is no capital fund, means you can prepare opening balance sheet in order to find out a capital fund. In this sum, capital fund is given. So come to the solution. You should use both the side of your ruled accountancy sum notebook, both debit side and the credit side, that is left side and right side, and make necessary column. Before that, you can write the name of the club first. In the books of Friends Football Club, income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2017. So in the left side, that is debit side, expenditure to amount column. In the credit side, income side, income to amount column. So first take the income from the received payment account. From the receipt side point, you should take only the revenue receipts. I already told that two items, subscription and special collection for dinner. So subscription is rupees 5,000. Add outstanding subscription 16 to 17, that is current year outstanding 600. It is given in the adjustment. You can add it. The total amount of subscription is 5,600. Collection for special dinner is 2,000. It is given in the receipt side of receipt and payment account. You can write it. And then expenditure side point of view, from the payment side, take only the revenue payments. Sports material, first one is sports material. You can take the purchase amount, from that less closing stock of sports material rupees 100. So from 800 less 100, the net amount is 700. Then two special dinner expenses 1,500. It is given in the payment side of receipt and payment account. Two electricity charges, it is also given in the payment side of receipt and payment account. So these three items are revenue payments. So after writing all the revenue payments and revenue receipts, now you can balance the income and expenditure account. While balancing the account, first add the debit total. It will comes to 3,100. Add the credit total. It will comes to 7,600. So find the highest amount. The highest amount is 7,600. Write the highest amount both the side of income and the expenditure account, and you can separate it in the lease side, that is debit side, 3,100. So 7,600 minus 3,100, the net amount is 4,500. It is surplus. Within bracket you can write excess of income over expenditure. Next, come to the balance sheet point of view. So in the balance sheet, you can write the heading first, that is balance sheet as on 31st March 2017, and make necessary column in the debit side, that is the left side, liability to amount column. In the right side, asset to amount column. First write the asset, furniture, current year purchases, that is opening amount is 12,000. Add current year purchase additional 7,000, the total amount is 19,000. Then stock of sports material rupees 100, it is given in the adjustment. And then subscription outstanding current year rupees 600 is given in the adjustment. Then cash in hand, cash at bank is the closing cash balance, bank balance. It is given the payment side of receipt and payment account. And the liability side point of view, capital fund, it is given in the adjustment rupees 23,000. Add surplus, that is excess of income over expenditure. The amount is 4,500. So the total amount is 27,500. It is the total capital fund. Legacies, it is the capital receipt. It is already given in the receipt payment account receipt side. That should be taken to the liability side of balance sheet, 6,000. So after writing all the receipts, capital receipts and the capital payment and some adjustment including the capital fund. Now you can balance the balance sheet. First add the liability total. It will comes to 33,500. Add the asset total. It is also 33,500. So mostly if you work out the sum correctly, definitely the balance sheet will tally. Automatically the total of the liability and the asset will comes same. So you can go through these example sums carefully and understand all the points which are taught in this problem. Make sure while comprehensive sum is given in examination point of view in 5 mark, go through the sum, understand it, what are the items given in the sum, you can know it, and find the revenue receipt, take to the income side, revenue payment, take to the expenditure side, while prepare income and expenditure account, and then capital receipt and capital payment should be taken to the asset and liability side. Capital receipt should be liability side, capital payment will be the asset side. Make all the necessary adjustments which are given in the sum and find out the surplus or deficit in income and expenditure account, and work out the balance sheet also. The balance sheet will, the total will come same. So you can work out this example sum in your ruled accounts assignment notebook. Likewise, same procedure in exercise 17, exercise number, that is sum number 17. You can work out it with yourself and complete the assignment. Send task complete message in the group. Send photocopy of assignment in personal number. Thank you.